going to Chicago. O'Hare. It's a 7:30. It's on time. F15. So after the TSA, I'm already in. Now at the gate. About 1 hour and 20 minutes. This is Chicago. I'm only here to renew my license. Renew my Philippine passport. Mag-train lang tayo kasi mura. Post muna ako dito. Ayan, picture muna. Ayan, nakasakay na tayo ng Blue Line na train papuntang downtown. Hello, Chicago. Dito na po ako guys. Dumating na po ako sa Silversmith Hotel. Pupunta na tayo sa ating room. Ang room ko ay 615. So, tara!
Your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away.
Ito na ang hotel na stayhan ko sa Chicago. Ayan. Ako lang. Solo ngayon guys. Daki pala. Malinis. I like it. Ito ang bathroom. Wow. Ang ganda naman ng banyo. Wow. Pupunta tayo sa the beach. Here we go guys. Andito na naman tayo. This is my second time here. Dito po tayo sa ice skating area ng Chicago here. Wala naman. Kanina marami. Ngayon wala na. Saan na sila? At ito po ang the cloud gate. So magsi-selfie po tayo ha. Guys, nasa downtown Chicago tayo. Lumalakad lang naman tayo dito. Kasi nagtutour lang tayo para wala kasi akong gawain ngayon, kaya maglaag-laag na lang tayo. Hinahanap ko yung Trump na hotel. Right here to the RiverWalk. Ayan na yung bridge. Malamig ngayon guys, as in. Lumalakad lang naman tayo sa Chicago RiverWalk. Yan. Akyat. We're gonna go up.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a
Guys, andito ako sa Navy Pier, kaso 5% na lang ang battery ko. Naiwan ko yung charger ko. Saka sayang, hindi ako wala masyado picture at video kasi this time 1% na lang ang battery ko. I'm at the pier. I'm riding a bus going back to the hotel.
Please be careful and hold on as you exit the bus.
Chicago at night. I'll go eat here at Panda. Go there at Chipotle for dinner. I went to Target right there to get some battery, and this is Panda right here, and my hotel is just right in that corner right there, so it's very near, and the Millenium is just right there. Good morning, guys. Today is January 21 and I am back here again. I have an appointment today with my Philippine passport. It's expired and it'll be at 10 a.m. and it's only like 8:40ish a.m. but I'm just gonna stop by one more time here because I just want to take another photo here. So this is Millenium Park. Millenium Park. Why did I say Millennium? I'll just do a quick photo and then I will head back to the consulate, Philippine General in Chicago here. Yeah, people right now, guys, so it's nice to come early, but there's nobody there. See, can you see there's nobody behind me? So we're gonna take another picture. Hi.
So say, finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses.
I'm already here, guys, but I already went in. They kicked me out. I'm too early. It's 9:25 and she wants me to come back in 20 minutes because I'm too early. So I had to come on my the time when it's 10 o'clock. She wants me to come back at 9:55. So I can't really go there yet. Go in. So it's right here. So that is the Philippine Consulate General, and there. Hey, I found Jollibee here. We're open. Near Jollibee is near at the. Oh, I'm going this way. This is the Philippine Jollibee pala dito. Hi, Jollibee. Andito ako sa Filipino restaurant. Tapos na po ang aking appointment. Babalik na ako sa Minnesota. Nagmamadali ako kaya wala masyado akong video doon sa Consulate General. Dito na po ako sa gate at tayo ay babalik na sasakay ng Delta to Minnesota. Alright guys, I arrived now in Minnesota. So I was just one day in Chicago and then I am here now. I'm back home. So yun lang po ang aking journey. Is to get renewed my passport. My husband They're here already. I am waiting for my husband and my son to pick me up. Ang lamig kaya dito lang tayo sa loob. Can Rick pick me up from the airport? No, I'm vlogging.
What? What?
I'm vlogging from my trip from Chicago.